In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different digital assets you can sell as a digital nomad or as a freelancer. So let's get right into it. Before we get into it, I need to talk about why I'm going to make this video, because I feel like a lot of freelancers, they're missing out these opportunities to build their personal wealth with their extra time. Because when you think about it, if you're a freelancer, basically means that you'll be working remotely. And so the time that you saved when you're not commuting, when you're not, going to the office or have extra meetings just dragged into, you can actually use that time, that say like an hour a day, just to build your personal wealth by building your own digital asset library. So I feel like I have the responsibility to tell you guys it's something that you can do on the side. The concept is you take what you have, which is your skill and your time, and build your own digital asset over time. Hundreds of hours worth accumulated, that's yours, and that would generate passive income over time. It's kind of like saving money, and then you have interest over time that's compound. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different types of digital assets you can build. The first one is going to be ebooks. I know it sounds like, okay, how can I write a book? No one's gonna buy this, but you can and you should, because when I say ebooks, I'm not asking you to write like, a novel that's like 100,000 words. An ebook could be anything. Illustration book, it could be a workbook, it could be a photo book. If you're a photographer, it could be a photo book with like, memories. You can just have a book with like 100 photos that you took. Either it's at your work or maybe on your travel, and then beneath that you just have little quotes, and then you can sell this book to your followers or people who love your photos. It could be a recipe book. I've known someone who's working full-time remotely, and then he wrote this book about machine learning because he's obsessed with the concept before ChatGPT. So he wrote this book, and then that's when the machine learning started trending, and then he wrote a book based on that before that, and then he sold the book on Amazon, and he makes $3,000 on the royalties every single month. And then he wrote 7 more books after that. And then the second one, online courses. Online course is definitely one of the best way to monetize your skills online. There are tons of different online course platforms. There's Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare. The key is, if you're doing something, you're doing it great, there are other people who haven't done it but would want to take a course and learn about the skills. You can make a course about how to cook certain things. I actually have a course about how to make the best cookies. Make valuable information products, and one of them will be online course. And then you might ask, most of the things people can just watch videos on YouTube. Why would they want to pay for a course? It's a very good question. There is a difference between YouTube videos and online course. Online course is more structural. People know if they paid a certain amount of money, this is the value they would acquire. Compared to YouTube, it's just a video. But when you go on to the online course platforms such as udemy.com, you'll be able to see there's clear instructions, and there is also resources, like maybe it's a recipe or maybe it's a PDF that have or a presentation that have clear guidance. It's totally different from just the YouTube videos, right? So if people really are serious about the things that they want to learn, they will pay for it. Also, online course is not just for the person who wants to learn. Maybe I want to gift this online course to the people that I care about, maybe like my kids or my friends or my families. Then I can also purchase this online course and then gift this online course to the other person. The third one is templates. If you're a website designer, you can make website templates, landing page templates, if you are an HR professional, you can create resume templates. Organizer, you can make like a to-do list template. If you are a copywriter, you can create like a sales copy template, email template, newsletter templates. There are so many different templates you can sell. The fourth one is photos. You know, everyone nowadays have like this smartphone and have like super amazing cameras. And if you're already a photographer, even better. Like if you have iPhone, the photos will be amazing. You don't really need a super expensive camera to take high quality photos, right? Go to stock photos websites, and most of them have like creators program. I'll also put the link on my website. Go to vickyhui.com/resources. I'll put the platforms you can sell photos online in that page. So what I will do is that I'll go on to, let's say, Shutterstock contributor website, and then I'll look for the best selling photos. Usually those are photos that for commercial use. So do your research before you become a contributor on those stock photo websites, because the photos that looks good might be a little bit different from the photos that's selling well. So do your research on that, and then good luck with selling your photos. And the fifth one is the audios. Now this will include different types of audios. A song that you created, beats that you created, voiceover that can be created. It could also be the background sound that you recorded when it's raining outside overnight. And so all these audios that you recorded could be sold online. The platform that I use to publish my own EDM, and I publish them on tunecore.com. It only costs $10 to publish your own music. And then once you hit the publish button and you paid, and then it's automatically published to 140 different online platforms. So that would include, let's say, iTunes, Apple Music, Amazon Music, etc. And the second one you can sell is white music. Like for now, it's raining outside. What I could do is that I could just record this raining sound, and I can just publish this as like a white noise sound. So that could be also sold too. So if you're a sound technician, if you're, let's say, someone who loves to play piano or instrument, you can easily make your own soundtrack and then upload it and then sell it to the public. So there you go. These are 5 different types of digital assets you can sell as a digital nomad, or if you're a freelancer. And I hope this video helps, and I wish you the best. If you have questions about any of this, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you later. Bye.